Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unfreeze your KuCoin account. First, you need to understand why your account was frozen. This often involves reviewing recent activities or notifications from KuCoin. Next, gather any relevant documents like ID or transaction records. Finally, navigate directly to the KuCoin Support Center to initiate the process. Accounts are commonly frozen due to security concerns, like unusual login attempts or suspicious transactions. Another frequent cause is incomplete Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification, where required documents were not fully submitted or approved. Lastly, violating KuCoin's terms of service, even unintentionally, can also lead to account restrictions. To resolve the issue, submit a detailed support ticket through the KuCoin website or app. Clearly explain your situation and provide any error messages you received. Be prepared to provide all requested identity verification documents, such as a government-issued ID or proof of address. Remember to follow up regularly on your ticket status for updates. Once your account is unfrozen, immediately confirm full access and functionality. To prevent future issues, enable two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Always keep your contact information updated and be vigilant against phishing attempts. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals linked in the description below. Staying secure helps ensure smooth trading.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.